So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a docs document available offline. Okay, so when you have a doc document like this, a Google Docs, so let's say we go to docs.google.com and we're here. And let's say I have this sample doc and I want to make this document offline. Assuming I'm traveling to a very remote area where I will not be able to have access to the internet, and I need to continue to work on this document that I call mind map prompts for Gemini. So all I need to do to make it offline is to come to file over here, go straight down to make available offline. Okay, so once you click, you can now see document now available offline. So should I remove my internet in here? Disconnect it. For example, you can see no internet, so let's kind of go to doc, be able to see the sample doc in here. You can see it. So with this mark, it simply signifies that it is available offline. Okay, so you can click on it. So what this means is that once I'm on that particular journey, I can go ahead and work on my document and I can read it. I can have access to it anytime offline. Okay, so I can read it and I can make just some jottings as well out of this. Okay, but the key thing is I can now access the document even when I don't have internet. All right, so this is how to make the document offline and continue working on it even when you're on a remote area. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.